Okay, on this video, we're going to write an equivalent definite integral to a given integral using u substitution. We're not going to evaluate the integral. We're just going to write an equivalent integral. So the way to do something like this is just go through your u substitutions. But to make it equivalent, you have to make sure you change the limits. These limits are in terms of x right now. So if we're going to do an equivalent integral, everything has to be changed into u, including the limits. So it's pretty simple. So your normal u substitution would be pretty obvious. U would be x cubed minus 2. For 1, it's an inside function, but better yet, the derivative is 3x squared dx. So we have that x squared dx out here. So that seems like the way to go. X squared dx. So now you start making all of your substitutions. And again, those are relatively easy. Sine of u. X squared dx, according to our du, would be 1/3 du. So that's it. That's the easy u substitution. Now we're going to change the limits. So the lower limit was 3, but that's in terms of x. And we've decided that u equals x cubed minus 2. So since this 3 was an x initially, you could tell because this was dx. To change it into a u, you just plug it in for the x and calculate. 3 cubed is 27, and 27 minus 2 is 25. So our new lower limit is 25. I'm going to write it down there. The new upper limit, well, the old upper limit you can see was negative 2. So that was in terms of x. So the new upper limit in terms of u is negative 2 cubed minus 2. Negative 2 cubed is a negative 8, and negative 8 minus 2 is negative 10. So that's it. That's an equivalent definite integral. It didn't ask us to actually go through the integration. So we're done. A really good way to check this is they have to be equivalent. So you would type the original on your calculator and evaluate it. And then you type your answer on the calculator and evaluate it. And those values should be exactly the same. That's it.